Chicken crispy.
Chicken crispy.
Yes, ma'am. It's my
Wow.
favorite food.
Wow. Yes, Ibrahim.
My favorite.
Ma'am, chicken burger.
Chicken burger. What else?
Whopper.
Whooper.
With Coca-Cola and ice cream and
Burger
McCafe.
King.
Burger,
All right.
Zinger burger.
Zinger burger. Okay.
You know what
Yes.
my cat likes?
Shawarma.
Shawarma? Your cat likes shawarma? What are you saying? One.
Ma'am, I told shawarma.
I heard you all talk at the same time. What
My
what do
cat
you
only
expect?
likes Royal Canin. If she eats something else, she will like full gas.
Oh my god. A farting cat. Nobody would want that.
Ma'am, but Royal Canin is so expensive and she has to go to vaccination now.
Oh, too bad. Too much money. Okay.
Then is the principal.
The principal? Hamdan is the principal. Okay. Burger, pizza, butter chicken, and naan roti. Amazing. We have amazing answer from the teacher today.
Food or
Okay.
thing?
Yes.
Food
That's
or
good.
thing like
So everybody, I love this fact that one thing when I asked you what makes you happy, immediate thought you all started
Food make me happy.
you all started answering with food, and that is so true. Yes, food does make us happy. Food makes you happy. Food makes me happy. We are a perfect combination.
And don't show that picture in front of us.
Yes, let's have a party.
Ma'am, I can see that sausage coming out of the bread.
Sauce is coming out of it very saucy.
There, वैसा line वाला bread है जैसा.
This sausage,
I'm
yeah.
seeing Alfia, ma'am.
I'm gonna say sleep. Okay, sleep. So, Rushda, how about we eat and then we sleep? Yes, that's the perfect state of happiness one could achieve. Okay, right. Let's meet up here. Right?
Ma'am, we are the
junk.
Ma'am, we like junk food. We do not like dry fruits and the healthy.
Same, bro. Same.
Just ate one big cup of healthy food. See, this whole cup I ate full of this was full of healthy dry fruits.
Oh.
And almost all of them were brain fruit,
Walnut brain fruits. Yes, even we call it as brain thing. It looks like a brain. Walnuts don't taste good. Please, no, I disagree. I hands down disagree. Walnuts are not good. I mean, they are good, but they don't taste good.
Yeah, boys.
Yes, my broken tooth makes me happy. Oh my god, yeah, it shows. Burger.
Banana ka coin.
Yes. Who is annotating on the burger? Don't do that. Okay. So food definitely makes us happy. And if it is packed with a dessert. Yum, 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 yum. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in dessert there can be coffee, mithai, or
It
some
could be, yeah, it could be anything sweet, but
Ma'am, I like natural ice cream, ma'am. I only like natural ice cream.
high five, bro. I love naturals too.
Ma'am,
And
I love more ice cream.
I
Ma'am,
like.
I like more ice cream and the London Dairy, London bar.
I don't know.
ice cream.
There is something about naturals ice cream, I like, my favorite flavor is choco almond.
Ma'am, I
how
like
many of that?
Baskin Robbins. Ma'am,
Ma'am, I like choco chips. Ma'am, I like choco chips in naturals.
Ma'am, have you ever eaten half more ice cream cake? It is so tasty,
Yes,
ma'am.
I've had ice cream sandwich.
We
Have
have
more
we,
ice cream sandwich.
ma'am, our family is big, so we buy
Yeah.
cake every celebration.
CEO of Golden Sparrow, we cannot hear you. Your voice is lagging, CEO of Golden Sparrow.
Oreos and cream.
Oreo.
Ma'am, I like Baskin Robbins and half more.
All right. So you see, but one thing about ice cream, there's one thing about ice cream, children. You gotta eat it quick, otherwise what happens? It melts, right? It melts. Therefore, you need to be quick while eating your ice cream. But like our Earth ice cream, what happened? Before we have it or while we were eating it, it was melting. Okay. So what do you think? What do you think is the state of our Earth? right now? Do you think the earth is melting?
Melting.
Yes.
Global
It is
warming.
global warming. That's a very good term, Ibrahim, right there. Who will tell me what's global warming?
Then more lots of AC and gas, lots of carbon pollution. That time plastic problem.
Yes, that's right, Juveria. All right, so that is what global warming means. And not only that, you know, our earth is so beautiful. It is blessed with so many landscapes, so many forests, natural beauties, geographical features, as we call it. Okay, so when we call
National
desert,
parks.
so you see the word desert has been used for two things. One is the hot sandy desert that we know of, okay, and the other is the dessert, okay, the sweetness that adds to our life, the good sweet stuff
It's
that we
very
eat
hot,
after
that's
the good sweet stuff that we eat after dinner or lunch or rather any meal. Have you heard of the word frozen dessert? Yes.
Yes.
What
Antarctica now.
Antarctica. Yes, when I talk about Earth as a planet, Antarctica is a frozen desert. That's very right. Have you heard about the desserts, the sweet frozen desserts?
Yes, ma'am. So the cakes are very hot and the ice creams are cold.
No. The frozen
Sizzling
desserts.
brownie. Sizzling brownie.
Snow cone.
No cone, sizzling brownie. Have you had gola?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Mahaleshwar Pancoli.
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
Complete
ice
ice.
shavings.
Gola
These
is
are
my
frozen
favorite.
desserts. So,
Ma'am,
Gobi, that is
From
Gobi
6
desert.
months-
That's a cold
Ma'am,
desert in
for-
Tibet.
Ma'am,
for
I
6
like.
months-
Ma'am, I like
6 or
triple
8
scoop ice
months
cream.
I didn't eat gola.
Triple scoop ice cream with sprinkles and different toppings.
That's right. That's lovely, Ibrahim. You know,
Ma'am,
so yes, Umar.
ma'am, from 8 months I didn't eat gola.
You did not? No
Ma'am,
problem.
we
You can make
went.
it at home.
Ma'am, we went.
You know how to make it at home.
Ma'am, we
There
went
is a
in
machine
Matheran.
to
It has
grind.
been years since I've had gola. You know, one problem
Ma'am,
with me
we
having
went to
gola is
Matheran
as soon as
recently.
I have gola, my sinus starts getting reactivated. So I avoid for
Ma'am,
health purposes.
if you eat gola, no, then your stomach fully fulls.
Really? You
After
have a very
that, you
strong
cannot
stomach.
eat
Ma'am,
anything.
can I say something? We
Yes,
went to
Imran.
Matheran in March ending before just the lockdown. Before 2 days of the lockdown, we went to Matheran for 3 days. We had so many golas over there. It was so
Oh,
cold.
no wonder all the golas are coming out now. Yes, Anas.
Ma'am, when I eat a big slice of ice cream, my teeth start paining.
सेंसिटिविटी सेंसोडाइन टूथपेस्ट आपके टूथपेस्ट में डाउट नहीं है
जनजनाहट और जलराहत से बचाए.
I use
Oh,
Colgate.
जनजनाहट और जलराहत से
there
बचाए.
he is. He could narrate. He could literally recite the entire ad in front of you. That's Ibrahim for you. So you see, there is a chart of frozen desserts. Frozen desserts do not have milk in it. Okay, they are made without milk. Like ice cream also, they use
made with condensed milk.
they yes maybe, but these like frozen yogurt.
is condensed milk.
Yes, milk made is condensed milk. Okay, then there's frozen custard. There is sherbet.
Sometimes in Gola, they put milk and give.
No, they put milk made. Yeah.
Yeah, they put milk made.
And that tastes so good.
It is so heavy. Like Faluda flavor. So many flavors come in that.
Right. So I used to have plain milk made, or
Ma'am,
it would be
what is
Kala
that in the very last line? Like
Khata. Snow cone?
Semifredo. Beside snow cone.
Semifredo. It's like a jelly like cake, gluten cake basically. Okay. so
Yes,
that's-
the jelly.
What, ma'am? What is the jelly?
This.
Like
This.
pudding.
Yes, it's like pudding, but it's a jelly type cake that you call it. Okay, so frozen desserts are something that have come up in the market. Not only that, we also on Earth have frozen desert, like Juveria mentioned, Antarctica is a frozen desert. Abdullah mentioned Gobi Desert is a cold desert. Okay, so you see how similar is our Earth to an ice
Ma'am,
cream.
everybody eat gobi there.
No, please, Umar Sharif, keep quiet. Okay, Now what I want you to do is, I want you to make the best ice cream topping for your earth ice cream. Okay, for your earth ice cream, and I will give you a list. Let me see what will you use. Okay.
But the ice cream is finished.
No. The earth ice cream over here on the PowerPoint. All right. So you have a list of toppings that I have given you. Which one would you love to have or would you like to have on your earth ice cream and why? Raise your hand.
Ozone layer.
Think.
And what we want to do, I didn't understand.
Perfect. Where were you? Let me ask you a question.
Ma'am, more forest.
Where were you? Humaira Qasim.
I am outside.
Why?
No,
That's
you
the reason you missed. That's the reason you missed everything. What I said. Okay.
Yes.
So we have an earth ice cream on the PowerPoint, as you can see, and these are the toppings. Now I want you to select which topping would you want to put on your earth ice cream and why. I will hear it from everybody. So raise your hand. Let's go. Because I see Yahya smiling and raising his hand cutely, I'm going to give him chance. Go ahead. I am ice cream eat.
I will take ozone layer, more forest, less traffic, and use of solar energy. Ozone layer for UV, protecting from UV rays. More forest for more animals, less traffic for air pollution, less air pollution, and use of solar energy to reduce the energy means electric energy.
Okay, all right. That's good. I'm sure your earth ice cream will taste amazing with that combination. Jumeria, how about you? Then I go to Humaira.
Layers and more forest and no humans.
Why? Why is that? I want to know the reason. Tell me the reason for no humans.
Because then they'll make more traffic and they'll make and if there are no humans, they'll make less that less
Jumeria wants to
pollution.
be Thanos. She wants to like, I am able to make an ice cream. Let me just snap my finger and wipe off this race, and I'll bring a better race who can take care of the planet better, right? So Jumeria is like, no humans. Let's start with that. Humans are the cause of every problem. Humaira, Humaira. Good, Jumeria. I like your answer.
Go
Yes, after Humaira, we go to Hamza. Okay.
more forest.
More forest. Yes, why?
The earth have animal. It's very good. It's very good for earth.
Very good. If Earth has more animals, it will be good for Earth. Okay, Hamza, how about you?
Ma'am, I just choose one topic and about that topic, I choose no humans except the whole Golden Sparrow team. We make just a big castle that is impenetrable, and then soon the animals will see there are no humans. They will soon slowly come to the whole earth. Till the time we will be done with our big school, then we will go inside and lock the doors. And
Oh, that sounds like a concrete 10-year plan now.
Ma'am,
From
can
now.
I say?
Okay, that's amazing. Yes, Umar, go ahead.
As
Aisha
in
Aga, after Umar, Aisha Aga, okay?
traffic,
Yes,
use of
less
solar
traffic.
energy and ozone layer.
That's lovely. Use of solar energy. Tell me, why did you choose the topic of use of solar energy, Umar?
Ma'am, because then we use that if we use nuclear and all those energy, so it uses lots of things and it troubles the environment.
That's right. It troubles the environment. All right. Aisha Aga, tell me, child, which topping
And
for your
I
earth
add
ice
ozone layer so
Ma'am,
that
for the protection of from UV rays? Yes.
yes for
Okay.
ozone.
Aisha Aga, go ahead. Which topic?
Ozone
After Aisha,
layer,
we go to Anas.
ozone layer, and more forest.
Ozone layer and more forest. Why forest?
Because we need to be get the greenery out.
That's right. Okay. For the color effect, for aesthetic purposes. Yes, Anas, go ahead.
Ma'am,
Yes.
More forest and less traffic.
More forest and less traffic. All right. Less traffic.
Ma'am, can I
Let's
speak?
yes. Let's go with Aisha Kazi and then Hamdan.
Ozone layer, more forest, and less traffic.
Ozone layer, more forest and less traffic. Okay. Okay. Yes. I am the principal. Need respect and attention.
Ma'am,
Please speak. What would be
ma'am,
your
can I
topic?
go?
Yes. After the principal, you go, Abdullah Patel, and then Ibrahim.
Principals first.
Speak. You answer first. Principal.
I will tell everybody to use electric cars and bikes. No, because I do not. If you everybody uses petrol,
Which topic will that come under, Fazlani?
huh?
Which topic will that
Air
come under?
pollution. Air pollution.
Air pollution. Lovely, Fazlani. I love the idea. Yes. Go ahead.
And these kind of factories, they will be in some particular place that there is all garbage, and there in that particular place those companies could be, so they don't pollute the air in the
Right. So
and
companies
in
need to
city.
be in the dumpster and they should know that how it feels to be there.
Yeah.
Okay. Abdullah. Yes. Abdullah Ibrahim Rushda. That's the, and then Juveria, of course.
Ma'am, ozone layer. I don't want greenhouse gas because greenhouse gas makes the earth warm, and you are telling make the best ice cream topping, so it should be
Yes.
ice cream. So I don't want greenhouse gas. I want no humans, just selected humans, and ozone layer.
I'm so smart. Abdullah, one question to you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. One question. If you do not take the greenhouse gas, what will happen?
The earth will become an ice desert.
The earth will be, it will be frozen, so it will be like an ice cream. That's why.
That's the reason he's not taking. See, brains. Yes. And then go ahead. You said no humans, less traffic.
No humans, ozone layer.
But if the earth will
Okay.
become ice cream, then we can eat some of the parts.
And use of solar system.
There she is. Okay, Ibrahim. Yeah.
Ma'am, I would choose ozone layer for the protection of Earth from the harmful UV rays, and then I would take more forest for the animals and the insects and more other species. And because
So the insects and the animals will act like sprinklers, right?
and because greenhouse gas are too strong, and like they melt the earth, they are melting the earth, and global warming is starting, and the polar bears, their house is going in like
Right.
melting in water. So I won't take that. Instead I would take use of solar energy. Like I would not take less traffic, because humans
Tell me
also
what you will take. Why we will not take the others that we'll discuss. You tell me what you will take as a topic.
use of solar energy.
Okay, perfect. Yes, Rushda. Finally.
More forest, more oxygen.
Is ozone layer like a
Ozone? Sorry.
cover?
Hamza, 1 minute. I can't hear her. Yes? Rushda, can you repeat what you said?
More
I have thumbs up.
No, it's okay. It's okay. We can we don't mind Khadija. Tell me.
more forest
More
equals more oxygen. Less traffic equals less air pollution. Use of solar energy, putting the sun to use. And ozone layer, it sounds cool.
It sounds cool. Okay. So this is what it is. Rushda doesn't know what is an ozone layer. Who will tell her? By the time,
I know what it is. It just
yeah.
I know what it is. It just the Earth already has the ozone layer. So it's
Yes, but what's happening to that ozone layer?
The sun
Ma'am,
rays
because
of pollution, the carbon dioxide and everything are going up.
Global warming, ma'am. Because of global warming, the ozone
No. Aisha Kazi is right.
ozone layers. Greenhouse gases are damaging the ozone.
They are damaging the ozone layer. That's right, yeah. All right.
And coronavirus, it is recovering.
No. It is not because of coronavirus, you know. That ozone layer recovered because of some solar wind that came through and had those that help the earth get 3 molecules of oxygen together, that forms an ozone molecule.
And ma'am,
All right.
now in this lockdown, there
Where
is less pollution.
yes, there was less pollution, definitely. Where was the ozone hole? Have you heard of the word ozone hole?
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
Joveria.
Ma'am, I have read in a book.
You've read in a book. What did it say? Tell us about it.
It said that because of these all traffics and everything, there's a hole. And ma'am, there's one more is this that there's a scientist who invented a car pollution which kills people, and because of that, there's a hole in the ozone layer.
Really? I've never heard of that. Okay.
I don't completely remember. Ma'am, can you explain it? Ma'am, I did not understand.
Okay. So she said there's a scientist that made a car which kills what? People? That's what she said.
People who ever drive the car with that petrol.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I say something?
Yes.
There was a man who made a car that works on water, but then some people said he suicide, or some people said that the oil companies may have killed him because he made a car that used water.
Oh my God. That's so messed up. Imagine.
Which
cars.
country it happened?
I don't know, but they told
You
he
know what?
died.
Find out. Find this out. Come on. It's a very good. Everybody becomes Sherlock Holmes, and you have to find
We
out.
can protest. We can
Yeah.
protest on it.
There he is. Yes, that's me. I didn't know Hamza has a model of me. Okay, so ozone layer is
Ma'am,
a
I want
layer.
to say one thing.
Go ahead.
One
Abdullah.
man made a car which had a small fan like thing which it used to work on the fan and the water.
That's amazing, yaar. In spite of all these inventions that are coming up, why is it that we are not able to control pollution? Why do you think? What coming up, right? Like the car working on fan, the wind, definitely. When I say fan, the water, all right, electricity. Why is it still that we are causing so much pollution?
Now in India there are only what do you say, electric cars coming in.
That's amazing. That's amazing. But you know what? It depends how are we generating electricity.
And
Electric cars sound good and fun, all good and fun, until you get to the source
ma'am, I
of
want to
how
say something.
energy or electricity is generated.
Ma'am,
If
electric
we are
cars are
generating
coming.
electricity by burning coal, then that's not the electricity we would want. We would rather use renewable sources of energy. Have you heard of renewable sources of energy, children?
Yes.
Yes. Could you name some renewable sources of energy?
Nuclear energy, solar
Nuclear
energy.
is a renewable source of energy? I have no idea.
Coal.
Coal is a non-renewable source of energy. Nuclear is a non-renewable source of energy. Give me examples of renewable sources of energy.
Geothermal energy, solar energy, and
Wind energy.
Geothermal, solar, very good. So you see energy that we get from the sun. Yes. That we can convert it into electricity. We get it from water. We convert it into electricity. Hydroelectricity. That's right. Okay.
Ma'am, wind energy, ma'am.
Wind energy. Perfect. We made a windmill, a failed windmill model with the Mandela. Okay. Yes. Yes, Juveria.
Ma'am, if I had to make the ice-cream turbine, I'd use that ozone layer, and I'd use more forest, because then everybody will become a forest person. They'll use animals instead of cars. They'll go on animals,
and
Right. And they will also be empathetic, you know. Take care. You have to take care. There is a lot of care that you need to take for an animal in order to use an animal as your
take the care
mode.
also. Will give very nice.
Empathy. That's air. Monoxide, nitrogen, CFC. Okay, chlorofluorocarbons again. So what do? Methane. These are the greenhouse gases. They
Ma'am,
actually harm. They
ma'am,
not. They keep the earth warm.
chlorofluorocarbon
That is the
is
work.
used. Ma'am, chlorofluorocarbon is used in cars for coolants.
Yes, car for cooling, ACs are refrigerators. Okay, so every time you open your fridge, that's chlorofluorocarbon coming out. All right.
Ma'am, do you know if you if you inhale that one carbon dioxide, so you inhale and it will cause a very big problem.
Carbon monoxide is something, if you inhale, you can die immediately. Okay, so have you heard, like, when your car is parked, or it has been parked under the sun for a very long time, and when you open it, it's very heated. Okay, so people say, as soon as you sit in that car after it is parked in the sun, you roll down your windows first. You want to switch on the AC, switch on the AC with your windows rolled down. Let the air ventilate, because when you do not have your windows rolled down and you immediately open your AC, it's carbon monoxide that comes out, which is extremely harmful. Okay, so it is always advisable, as soon as you sit in your, yeah,
Ma'am, we do like that only. That we
yes,
first we put our
roll down the windows,
windows down,
switch on the
and then we
AC,
on
yeah,
the AC of the car, then keep it, then
for
keep the
some time,
windows
a
down
minute
for
or
a
two, yes, not for too
for
long.
a little time, then we put it up.
That's right. That is how it is to be done. It helps you, and that way it's not harmful. So whatever carbon monoxide comes out of the AC because of the heat of the sun, it is released out. Okay, next we come to more forest. What do forests help us with?
Ma'am, they reduce
Animals, food, water. What else? Forests are absorbing carbon dioxide. Forests are literally made up of trees, right? They are made up of trees. They are absorbing carbon dioxide. They are
So
helping
if we
in
put more
maintaining
forest, then
balance.
yes.
We
They
can
are
use
help. Very good.
oxygen.
Aisha, go ahead. Take that point ahead, please. I would
If
love.
we put more forest, then it will absorb the carbon dioxide, and it will the earth will be less harmful.
Very good. There will be a balance.
And
It's
we
going to
will get
strike
more
balance.
oxygen.
Okay. Yes. So that's how it's. Yes, Amza.
Ma'am, the more forest is more good for you because you are a panda. You live in the forest only.
Thank you so much, Hamza. The bamboo forest. I prefer the bamboo forest. All right. In China, children in China, there is so much air pollution that people literally have oxygen cans. We have heard of water bottles, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Water
I
bottles being available. In China, they have oxygen cans. Because there is so less forest, there is more pollution out there. People need to take oxygen out of oxygen cans. Air
ma'am,
is free. It's supposed to be free. Water is free. It's supposed to be free. Also, do not buy bottled waters. It's nothing but your plain tap water. There is no mineral in it. They call it mineral water, but there are no minerals. They take it from the same lake or river from which the water in your house comes from. These factories don't add anything extra.
So they don't purify it, ma'am.
No.
ma'am,
The purest water you could have is from your house. The boiled water, the purified water that you drink in your house. You
ma'am,
fill a bottle of water from your house and you buy a bottled water. You are paying for a commodity that you would get it for free. Air is for free. People in China are paying for that. Why? Because we messed up. We messed up the environment. We messed up because of pollution.
In Red Camel,
Yes.
teacher showed us some country video. They were selling a can from Australia, Greenland. Yeah, this flower cans for कुछ 100 pounds or something.
Yes, ma'am. They're selling khushbu.
Okay. They were saying
Ma'am,
perfume.
ma'am,
Yes.
in the Australia, in the
Okay. Okay. One person
Aus-
talk. Both of them are talking. Yes. Tell me.
in Australia there was a bushfire. So because of that, the whole sky became from blue to orange
Right.
because
Right.
of the pollution.
It was one major thing. One major bushfire. Like I remember. Yes, Juvelia, you were saying. Continue.
I wasn't saying. I was just telling that they sell the air in the in
Oh,
some.
they sell air in the exactly things which are free. We are paying for it. How more foolish can human race get? Okay, so do not fall for that. Do not buy bottled waters. Tell your family, do not buy water. Carry. You know, it is going to take just 1 or 2 efforts extra. Everybody has bottles at their places. Wherever you go out, carry the
Now
bottle.
we take this bottle to where we go outdoor.
Yes. You know, I have small bottles. It's very easy to carry. You know, the bottles nowadays have come in that like a sheet, the very thin. How much water would you want to drink outside, right? You come back home and you drink.
Ma'am,
Do not buy bottled waters. It is causing nothing but pollution, more and more pollution. That availability of water in the bottle form, selling through plastic, you throw that plastic in the bin, again, the whole lot of mess being
Ma'am,
created.
there is a company which is like there is a water bubble of it, and we eat it like inside there. It is water. It's not of the.
Yes.
It's not of
So,
plastic, ma'am.
students of Harvard have come up with that invention, you know.
Yes.
In UK. Yes, Mohammed Magoti.
Yes, ma'am. They said that you can
You can just put it in your mouth and the outer cover just melts with the heat of your mouth and you
Water.
can have the drop of water. Yes.
Ma'am,
Mohammed
the
Magoti, go
outer
ahead.
cover is made of seaweed, ma'am.
drink it.
We did it in our project.
Seaweed.
Yes, it is made of seaweed.
Oh,
The outer product.
that's lovely. Bobble, you were saying something. I want to hear from you. He's not spoken for a while. Yeah. What? Gone out?
What?
Okay. Active volcanoes. How do you think volcanoes would help? Do they help? What do they do?
They would
More
make
volcanoes.
igneous rock, ma'am. They would make igneous rock.
They would make igneous rock. Okay. And then what else? These volcanoes, when they erupt, they form a lot of
Pollution.
Yes. Ibrahim, you may go. Yes, they cause a lot of pollution. More volcano coming out, the more winds. And in order for the volcano to erupt, there are a lot of tectonic
And more
plates.
heat.
Yes, more heat, lot of tectonic plates which may cause earthquakes as well. So not very sure. They do form mountains also.
All the animals are suffering the consequences that my lion is suffering. See, he's melting away.
Hamza, you every time Hamza I see you have something very unique to say. I don't know whether we can relate that to the topic or no. Okay, let's come to less traffic. Have you guys heard of carbon footprints?
No.
Yes,
ma'am.
You know what? You should try. I just visited the website. There is this website. You can just go Google it. Carbon footprint calculator. Okay, and you can actually fill in the details, and they give you result. They calculate your carbon footprints, and they tell you how much have you contributed in the world. Okay, the carbon footprints, how far and how much you need to control. So that's how it will help in creating less traffic, less pollution.
Ma'am, but what is carbon footprint?
Carbon footprints is basically how much pollution have you as an individual caused to the environment. Okay, how much carbon the carbon element.
Ma'am, how much did you? तुम्हारा कितना है, ma'am?
I have just
आपका?
registered, so I'm going to fill in the details. I'm yet to fill in the details. Okay, but once I
So
get
what
my
do we
result,
search, ma'am? So what do we search?
search carbon footprint calculator. Okay, and the first link that comes, you can click on that link, or rather, you know what, I don't know if I have the link with me right now. Is it open in the tab? No, it is not. So I can put it on WhatsApp group, you know. if you want me to. I'll do that. You guys can go ahead, put your details. If you have a car, you can first you have to put the country. If you have a car, you can put how much mileage the car, how many kilometers the car has gone. You can. Who is it? I can't hear. Who's that? I'm sorry. Your voice was lagging a lot.
Ma'am, it is Anas. His voice is lagging.
Yeah, I just could not understand what you said. Anas, can you repeat?
Ma'am, I have a question.
Tell me.
Mohammed Shakib left the school.
I don't know. I have the same question. I'll get back to you on that. You are not seeing Mohammed Saqib, right? Yeah, even I have not seen Mohammed Saqib. Oh, I can't hear him. Why is that? Anas, please rejoin. Please rejoin the meeting. Okay. Then what you can do is you can put the model of the car. You can see how much kilometers it has gone, and they will tell you how much carbon footprint have you used in your car. There are options for motorbikes. There are options for bus and rails. There are options for home. At home, how much electricity bill do you get? How much ton of gas do you use? Okay.
Ma'am, I don't know that much. What do we say? Information.
You can ask around, Abdullah. It's even I don't know. I'm going to ask around. I'm going to find out and I'm going to do it.
Ma'am, time over. Bye
Is
bye.
it?
Time over. Bye
Too
bye.
bad I had an activity for you.
Ma'am, you always do like this.
We can
Only
do
you
it
explain
next class.
and you forget about the activity and you
I
tell
don't
next
forget
class,
about the
next class,
activity.
next
The time is
next
too
class,
less.
next class,
Okay,
next
so there's
class.
nothing
Because
much.
you explain a lot. Janmuj waste time.
No, I do not. Keep quiet. What nonsense?
Yes, ma'am. Only
We had
asking
a
and
very.
giving chance to everyone.
I don't know.
Tell. Activity
Yes,
gets.
because this is what it is about. I love today's discussion. The way you all mentioned the topics you all would use and why would you use?
Ma'am, then take fitness and do
It's
that.
brilliant. Okay, so there's not much to the activity. It is just that you would have drawn a earth, and I wanted you to color the earth with the darkest of the pencil or a crayon that you have. Just that, because if we do not take care of the earth, this is what your earth will look like, a dark earth. Okay.
Ma'am,
So
ma'am,
a black color with a pencil and
Ma'am,
shade
enable
it to
the
the darkest.
annotation.
Shade it. No, not here. Shade it to the darkest of color. Okay. That was the activity, and I would have asked you how did you feel while doing
And
it.
we want to only shade only black only.
Yes, the darkest shade that you have. Okay, I'll leave you here. No problem. You go for your fitness.
Bye
take a
bye.
break, and I'll leave
Ma'am,
you.
is fitness there or what?
Yes, I guess fitness is there. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So see you Monday. Take care, rights.